Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I did this flat twist updo style. So let's get started. So first I've sectioned off my hair in the way that I want it. I was going to do a different hairstyle, but then I changed up and decided to do this one. So I had to make another part here because on this side right here I want to flexi rod this whole section here. So I just pinned this side out of the way. Then I move to the next side and then I section this part off. On this side I'm going to flat twist this section to go up and to also be flexi rod later. So I just clip it out of the way. And now what I do is I part down the middle of my head. So I create these two big sections. I clip one side out of the way. And then on this remaining section, I divide it in half. And I clip that little section out of the way. So now I'm ready to flat twist this side. So your flat twist, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like once you get those flexi rods in your hair, you know, your curls will cascade over the back. So it really won't make a difference. So just try to get it as neat as you can, but don't worry if you're not perfect at it. I'm not by any means an expert. One thing that I like to do is that I like to make my twist go in the same direction. But you can have yours going to one way and to the other if you like. Right now I'm just clipping that out of the way and I just do the same thing on this side. I make sure that hair is detangled because that makes the flat twisting easier. I decided to put a little gel on the side. I'm using the Argan Eco Styler gel, Argan Oil Eco Styler gel. And I just flat twisted this side up as well. And I eventually I secure the top of these with a rubber band, but for right now I just clip them out of the way. And so I just do that on all sides. So you can see here I'm just getting, this isn't even a rubber band, it's like a plastic elastic tie. They're like harmless on your hair. So now I split that section from the beginning and I flat twist it as I'm doing here, and then I flat twist this side. Oh, by the way, my hair is in an old twist out, so this isn't freshly washed here. So yeah, I secure both of these sides with that plastic tie, and now I'm ready for my perm rods. I used this style setter from Camille Rose. I used that for my flat twist or my twist out, so I'm just using it again. And I start off using this Jane Carter foaming mousse. I wasn't for sure if it was giving me enough hold and shine. So later on, I switched up to the Kinky curly foaming mousse. We'll talk about that later. But for now, this is what I have on my hair. So when you're doing your flexi rod, I like to do the corkscrew method. This is what I'm doing here. You can do it in a corkscrew method or you can do it in a spiral like method. Just depends. So here, this is what I'm using. I started using the Kinky curly instead of the twisting cream, or instead of that style setting cream and the Miss Jane Carter's, I don't know if it's Miss, but the Jane Carter's foam. So anyhow, I do that to my whole head. I also do that. So I do that to my flat twisted sections, the ones that are going up. I split that hair into sections and then I just flexi rod it. I have a ton of videos on different flexi rods, so I can link a card up for those. But essentially just make sure that you've detangled your hair. I'm using a Felicia Leatherwood brush here, and make sure those ends are smooth on the roller. Also, you don't want this style to take too long, so I would make sure that my hair isn't getting too wet. So I sat up under the hair dryer for about an hour because I got my hair too wet. And so now I'm ready to take out these flexi rods. They're not all the way dry, but it was pretty late at night, so I was ready to take them out. One thing that you can do is you can take them out and then just let them be and then go sit back up under the hooded hair dryer. That's what I did. Okay, now back to this Kinky curly foam. My hair was super flaky, guys. it was the most flakes I've ever seen. I don't know if that was caused by the Kinky curly foam or if it was caused by just all of the products mixing together, but just be aware of that. How I kind of got rid of those is that I just, like I'm doing right here, I did this a lot with some oil on my hands, and somehow those flakes shed. Like, you can barely see them now, but just be aware of that if you decide to use that. Guys, this is my final look. I'm pretty pleased at the results. I pin curled my hair at night and I covered it with a scarf, but these are my final results. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.